Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Online News with Isaiah. Today, we are talking about cyberbullying and how it affects mental health across teenagers around the globe. Now, let's watch this video.
A new virus, unlike any other, has infiltrated schools through social media. A pandemic quickly spreading around the world. Its origin is yet to be known. However, individuals with a history of negative and violent home environments are often more susceptible to contraction. This girl has been infected. She is now host to the virus and risks spreading it to anyone. Every post the host makes and every text she sends exposes the virus to multiple people instantly. It is highly contagious and no one is immune. But some individuals may suffer more greatly from its side effects. The virus has chosen its victim. Carriers of the virus can be the least suspected of people and may even be unaware of their own infection. No one, not even this girl's parents and teachers, are aware that she is carrying such a deadly disease. Strains of this illness can be transferred by phone, email, and social media. Through wireless and satellite transmission, it can reach you at home, at school, or anywhere. The effects of the virus can take hours or days before getting out of control and causing serious damage to its victims. The virus feeds on those who are vulnerable to feeling emotions of hate, anger, envy, insecurity, and peer pressure. The effects have proven severe and could cause emotional scarring, creating long-term symptoms of depression and, in some cases, suicide. But there is a way to fight against it. Fight the virus. You can put a stop to it. In support of Pink Shirt Day, join the battle against bullying. Write in pink to prevent further outbreaks of this pandemic. Protect yourself and report cases of the cyberbullying virus.
And we're back. So, 3 tips that I give after watching this video are: don't give out too much information online. Try not to give out and try not to interact with everyone that you see online. Know that the people bullying you or bullying someone else are in the worst position and find a way to just walk away from this situation. As easy as it sounds, it might not be that easy, but I know you can reach out to other people and find a way to walk away from this situation. Next, we are going to check the weather with Robert. Thank you, Isaiah. And we have our weather chart here. It seems like up in near Bellevue, Washington, it'll be raining a lot, maybe, and a lot of western Washington will be snowing, and over here in eastern Washington it might be sunny, but you never know with Washington weather. You never know what you'll get. Back to Isaiah. Alright, oh, now we are going to our commercial break. Have you ever felt very tired and very out of energy? Now use this new product that we have, water. Very can be used in cold variant, warm variant, not warm variant if you're weird, or you just like warm water. But yeah, at a very low cost of $5 per bottle, it's water. Thank you.